On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have with the WhatsApp call in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, to fix the problem is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, open the apps, and now go to the WhatsApp app settings. Now on this page, all what you have to do is click on the force stop to stop running and then go to the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled right here and then go back, click on the data usage and then disable all those options and enable them again like this. Click on the internal storage or this storage, click on clear cache, and last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for WhatsApp and then update it from here easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.